Honey has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Here are some of the ways honey can be used for health. Sore throat. Honey can help to soothe a sore throat. It contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. You can take a teaspoon of honey by itself or add it to tea or warm water. Cough. Honey can also help to relieve a cough. It can help to loosen mucus and make it easier to cough up. You can take a teaspoon of honey by itself or add it to tea or warm water. Sleep. Honey can help to improve sleep quality. It contains a compound called tryptophan, which is converted to serotonin in the body. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep. You can take a teaspoon of honey before bed. Wound healing. Honey can help to promote wound healing. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. You can apply honey directly to the wound or make a compress with honey and water. Burns. Honey can also help to heal burns. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. You can apply honey directly to the burn or make a compress with honey and water. Acne. Honey can help to reduce acne. It has antibacterial properties that can help to kill the bacteria that cause acne. You can apply honey directly to the affected area or make a mask with honey and water. Antioxidants. Honey is a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants can help to reduce inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Immunity. Honey is a good source of vitamins and minerals that can help to boost your immune system. Vitamin C, zinc, and other antioxidants in honey can help to protect your cells from damage and fight off infection. Heart health. Honey can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Honey also contains compounds that can help to protect your heart from damage. Blood sugar control. Honey can help to regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Honey contains a type of sugar called fructose, which is absorbed slowly into the bloodstream and does not cause a spike in blood sugar levels. It is important to note that honey is high in calories, so it is important to consume it in moderation. It is also important to talk to your doctor before adding honey to your diet if you have diabetes or other health conditions. Thank you for watching.